who just joined us, welcome aboard the Hong Kong Disneyland Railroad.
各位刚上车的客人，你们好，欢迎乘坐香港迪士尼乐园铁路火车。
幻想世界係最開心嘅樂園，佢係一個永恆嘅王國，充滿幻想同魅力。童年時代嘅夢想都會喺度實現。小熊維尼、小飛象、灰姑娘，仲有愛麗絲夢遊仙境嘅迪士尼故事同人物都會喺呢度出現。
Fantasyland is the happiest land of them all. It's a timeless realm of imagination and enchantment where childhood dreams come true. Here, Disney stories and characters come to life, from Winnie the Pooh and Dumbo to Cinderella and Alice in Wonderland.
幻想世界是最开心的乐园，您能在这里与迪士尼奇妙而迷人的动画人物汇聚一堂。
前面嘅就係飛越太空山，太空探險家可以喺度乘坐火箭出發去銀河系，踏上一次高速之旅。
Rising majestically before us is Space Mountain. Here, space explorers can board rockets for a high-speed journey to the outer reaches of the galaxy.
在我们面前的就是太空山，太空探险家可以在这里乘上火箭，开始飞往外太空银河系的高速之旅。
太空山係明日世界嘅一部分，係出發去宇宙中好多刺激目的地嘅未來港口。
Here is Tomorrowland, a world of the